guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be filming an eyebrow routine and I'm just going to use my dip brow and my eyebrow brush to show you guys. That's the only two products I use, and eyebrow gel. I'll be showing you guys how I use that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep on watching if you want to see my eyebrow routine. I use dip brow and dark brown, and then I use the Anastasia 14 brush. It looks like that, the top. And then that's the spoolie. So what I do basically is I just dip into it just one time or twice. Take the cap and brush it into the cap like so. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and look into my mirror, brush out my eyebrow. Take the eyebrow brush, and I don't start literally in the front, but I start around the front here. And I make it a little thicker on this side because this eyebrow is thicker. So, if you guys are wondering. And then as I go, I brush out the product to disperse it so I can make sure that I'm not going to overdraw it, like make it too dark. So now I do the bottom, right? I sketch out how I want the shape to be. Then I go to the top. If you look at both of my eyebrows, I have more hair up here than over here. So I have to round this out more because for some reason, I don't have hair there. So once I dip in once into the pot, I just keep using the product that I put in the cap here. And then I just dab it side to side, and then I just get more product. So what I do is the bottom, I do the top, and then I fill in this area, and then I'm gonna do my tail after. And I hold the brush like that, like a So now I'm doing my tail. I'm basically following the shape that I already have. I'm just making that line more defined and just making it darker because my eyebrow hairs are pretty light. Once I fill in from here down, I turn my head a little to make sure I didn't miss any gaps. And I'm noticing so far that pomade looks better in my eyebrows than pencil or powder. I'm not sure why, but because I'm literally doing the same technique I would do. So that's how I do the front of my eyebrow. I just take it and go like that. And then I'm going to just draw like hair strokes, I guess. Because that's how the front of my eyebrow hair goes. I'm basically just following the pattern of my eyebrow hair. But then, again, you don't want it to be too boxy. So I'll show you how not to have it too boxy. But mine are kind of boxy, but I like that shape. I like the front to be square. I don't like that round front. Or that faded front, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to re-dip into the product, and this is how much product I have on the brush when I do the eyebrow. This eyebrow is super, it's like way easier because the shape, it's like there, I'm just making it darker. So I'm basically just tracing. So I raise up my eyebrow a little bit because my eyelashes are in the way. And I just do the same thing over. And if you ever get a little lower, you could just Clean it with your finger, clean it with concealer, which is why most people use concealer. And I've noticed that I do them different. For this eyebrow, I just do the bottom and the top. This one I actually map out the whole eyebrow and then I fill it in. So it's like two different techniques. I guess you guys can pick which one you like. And they're not gonna look identical, they're gonna look more like relatives, not even cousins or sisters. And this spoolie also kind of helps to clean it up. So now I'm just looking back and forth at them, making sure they're pretty similar. So now I think I basically finished. I'm just gonna brush the front out of this part a little bit because it's always darker for some reason. I guess because it has more hair. Now I'm gonna use the Anastasia brow gel. And I brush my eyebrow hair up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you again for watching. Bye!